If you're on the hunt for a lightweight Linux distribution, you've probably stumbled across Alpine Linux. But is it really the best choice for minimalists? Let's dive into what makes Alpine stand out and where it might fall short. Alpine Linux is designed with simplicity and security in mind. It's built around the muscle Librecam BusyBox, making it incredibly lightweight, perfect for users who want a minimalistic approach. This distro targets a range of users, from developers looking to create containers to those wanting a basic desktop environment. One of the first things you'll notice is its simplicity. The installation process is straightforward, but it does require a bit of command line know-how, which might be daunting for complete beginners. The package manager, APAC, is efficient, allowing you to install software quickly, but if you're used to more graphical package managers, it might feel a bit bare bones. While Alpine excels in providing a secure and efficient environment, some users may find the limited documentation a bit frustrating. It's not always easy to find resources or community support, which can be a deal breaker for those who prefer a more guided experience. So, what are the upsides? First off, its lightweight nature means it can run on older hardware without a hitch. Plus, it's highly secure, making it a great choice for server environments. However, there are some clear downsides. The learning curve can be steep if you're not comfortable with the command line, which might alienate casual users. Additionally, the community support isn't as robust as some other distributions, leaving you potentially stranded if you run into issues. Also, while it's great for servers and containers, it might not be the best fit for desktop users who want a polished graphical interface. If you're looking for an out-of-the-box experience, Alpine may not deliver. In summary, Alpine Linux is a fantastic choice for those who prioritize speed and security, especially in server environments or for creating containers. However, if you're a desktop user looking for an easy graphical experience, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying if you're comfortable navigating a more hands-on setup.